Hey everyone, Austin here from Currie Motors, and boy do I have something for you.
A 2023 Ford Maverick Hybrid. Yes, that's right. This XLT 2023 Maverick in Area 51 is a hybrid, and we have it here at Currie Motors Ford of Frankfort. Let's take a look. All right, folks, we are looking at it. It is the hybrid Maverick 2023 XLT. I mean, this thing it's a unicorn. You don't see them. You can't find them. Good luck. People have been waiting years at this point for their factory orders on these. So this is available right now. If you want it, come in, buy it. So diving into the Maverick Hybrid, you're getting up to 40 miles per gallon using the hybrid component. So you have some electric, you have some gas together. They give you substantial miles per gallon increase on the vehicle. Now the hybrids only come in front wheel drive. So if you're looking for that tow package to be put on here, or you're looking for the four-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, however you want to call it, you do have to get the gas engine. So this truck is in Area 51. I do think this is the leader, in my personal opinion, of the small truck category. There's really nothing that can compare to it as of now, and anything they've made to try to compete with this is just subpar. So starting with the front here, take a look at these really nice U-shaped headlights going around. I like how the grille looks, especially with this Area 51 color. Going all the way down the side of the car here. I just love looking at it. The wheels, really nice carbonized gray color on it. It really does blend well throughout the vehicle here with between the Area 51 and the black accents. Adding that carbonized gray is really nice. Now as we come around here to the bed of the Maverick, you can see Maverick across the back. You got your little hybrid logo there. Let's open up and take a look. Now you do have those spaces where you can add plugins, and I know there's a whole bunch of things, a bunch of DIY bed stuff for the Maverick. You go on YouTube, check out some of my videos out there that show all the DIYs of the Maverick bed. Now as we look in the back seat here, it's spacious. Think Bronco Sport or Escape. Those are going to have similar sizings to the back. You have a little cup holder there in the center. You do have your manual sliding rear window up here. These seats do lift up to give you under seat storage here. See all the storage. Now here's your flex bed, and shows you can scan this QR code and it'll show you some flex bed or DIY stuff for the bed of the truck. In the back seat, we do have a USB plug-in and a 120 volt plug-in as well. Now you do have keyless pad entry right here. You also have the Ford Pass app that allows you to unlock, lock, auto start the car from anywhere in the world. That's completely complimentary of Ford. So let's take a look on the inside here and some of the design features that I really like about the Maverick. All right, so on the inside of the Maverick here, you're gonna see up front, and zoom you in, here's your battery meter. And now we're sitting at, right now it says all electric, and that's just the electric battery running the vehicle. Now when the gas jumps in, you'll see this meter change and it'll have gas. This door handle design feature I really do like. It's just kind of like this knob instead of having the full handle there. Now I'm going to open this to kind of show you. This does have some deep storage back there. You can put like a smaller umbrella through here if you wanted to. There's a whole bunch of different things. Right there's a water bottle. Shows you this could be a water bottle right there as well. There's just a lot of different things you could do with all the features in the car, which is kind of going back to that DIY bed. Coming across the center console display, it's really nice how it's set more to the driver's side, giving you some storage in there, giving you some storage up there as well. It's all touchscreen. You will have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto to be able to show your maps and everything on the screen. Now down here we have our parking brake. We have our different drive modes, so let's take a look at those. We have our normal, tow haul, slippery, Eco, and Sport. Each of those are going to help you navigate through different driving experiences. You also have your auto hold, and then you have your traction control. Down here in the center console, you do have a nice deep storage box, which I'm a big fan of all the storage areas in here. Now the passenger seat has a ton of space because the dash views in a little bit there, giving it a ton of leg room, arm room. It's really nice. Overall, very happy with this car. I love the up to 40 miles per gallon on it. You can't go wrong with the Maverick. So this Maverick will not be here long. Is available at Currie Motors Ford of Frankfort. It is a hybrid up to 40 miles per gallon, Area 51, 2023. You cannot get this anywhere. You can't order it. You can't go find it at any other store. There's none out there. So this is available here at Currie Motors Ford in Frankfort.